high here, the 3 Harbor Breeze and 4 Hampton Bay, running on low speed. The ones on long downrod are on a dimmer, while the one on short downrod is on factory low. I'll be showing the ones on long downrod in medium-ish and high. Then I'll be showing the one short downrod on medium and high. One of them has a bad capacitor, others blue, or came out of air, and they seem to wobble in different ways. That one doesn't wobble much and blows good amount of air. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.